I'm Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta, and you're probably wondering, why am I underneath the truck? I'm supposed to be doing a TidRadio H3 review. Well, don't go anywhere, because I got something special for you. We're not going to do a typical review where we're saying this and that, it's going to plug in and unbox and all that. Absolutely not. What we're doing today is we're going to show you what we're doing. Now, there I am. Yeah, I am going to be mounting it underneath my truck, and we'll just pause that right there. Mounting it underneath my truck. I want to have it underneath there. The whole goal was to be about 10 days, and I want to put on over 1,000 kilometers on it. And is the radio going to work? That is the whole idea of it, is to just see if we're going to be working after going through rain and mud and all that kind of stuff. It's a test no one else has done yet, so why not try it? Get it out there, you guys. See if you want to buy this radio or not. You guys can buy it on Amazon. It's affiliated. I do get a commission. This radio was free, so full disclosure, you guys. If you guys hate getting paid endorsements and all that, get the heck off this channel and take off. But I'll make a couple of dollars if you guys buy one. That's not the point of it, though. I got a radio. They wanted me to test it and all this stuff. I'm going to test it, and I'm going to test it the way I'm going to test it, the Mr. Mud way. So let's go do a search on YouTube. A lot of great videos out there. We got reviews. Dave's got some out there. We got, who else is on here? Let's get this mouse scrolling here. UBC programming. Yeah, the programming's great. You can plug it into UBC. It's tiny. Is it the best HT in 2024? Who knows? Ham Radio DX will tell you. Go to his channel. So everybody has it. Everybody has a review. Comparing it to the BAOFENG, we got Ham Radio Crash Course did one. Actually, a really good one just about how to do it with Chirp. So I got to watch that video. There we go, an overview. Lots of them. Lots of them. Ham Radio Tube did one. Ham Radio Dude. Ham Radio this and that. Ham Radio 2.0. Everybody's done a review on it and an unboxing. But not a lot of people mounted them underneath the truck like I have. So there we go. We got it mounted underneath the truck. We got the kilometers, and we're going to see how this thing performs. So let's rewind it a little bit before I put it underneath the truck. I did, of course, had to test it. And I am, let's pause that. I had to make sure it worked, right? You guys don't know if it worked or not. It does. Let's see here if I can find some of the footage on it. We'll play it.
Finding posts just to see if it's resonant for 70.
Good afternoon. The time is 2 p.m.
All right, pause right there. Nice pause, Wes. Okay, it does work. I have my All-Star node. I talked to Bravo, Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-Ray Simon. We had a QSO. It worked. Well, that's awesome. That's awesome. You know what's great about this radio? Okay, you guys don't want to hear about what's great about it and all that kind of stuff. Let's not go there. We're out here to see how it works, and we want to. Let's get that rolling there. I went down the highway. It was, down paved roads, 100 kilometers an hour, 120, whatever, rolling along. I went down gravel roads and went through rocks, mud, all that. I didn't get that footage. I lost it, but trust me, it's been underneath the truck. It went all over the place. And since I'm such a nice guy, I went through the car wash with it. And let's fast forward it here. Let's get in there. Now, I don't know if you could see this, but there are some heavy sprays that go straight up underneath. Let's go here. And it is powerful. Let's go. Listen to this. See that sprayer underneath? Sprayed straight up. And is going to be the final test of this radio, if it's going to be alive or not. Is it going to survive getting high pressure water sprayed right inside of it? Yeah, it is. Let's move ahead a bit. So, got a clean truck out of the deal. It looks pretty good. The TidRadio underneath the truck for over 1,000 kilometers through gravel. Like I said, I'm emphasizing this thing was not treated nice. It went far, and I'm surprised no one stole it because you can kind of see it. But I pushed it right through to the limit. And listen to this. Alright, that's what we went through. Did it survive the car wash? Let's see. Let's get that to turn. There it is. Still under there. Alright, let's go to the final frame here. Let's see if it works. All right, guys. Today is the day. It's been 10 days since I strapped the TidRadio to the back of the truck. And just to show you here, I'll walk around. That's how many kilometers we put on it. So if you can see that on there, zoom in a bit. Okay, so we're at 185,282 kilometers now on the truck. And underneath, it is still there. All right, so let's take it off. Let's climb underneath and see if we can get it off of here. Oh, I put a couple zip ties on just to make sure I didn't lose it. Oh, wow. The tape is pretty beat up. All right. Grab this stuff. There she is. And is it going to work? So is it going to work, guys? Well, we're going to find out right now. We don't know. Let's find out. Oh, yeah, it got... Oh, we turned it on. Oh, the button's kind of falling out here a bit. Okay. Having no sound.
Welcome.
Okay, there we go. Well, that's kind of working. Not getting any tone. Let's go to... Yes. It works. It survived. Doesn't look nice, but the TidRadio survived over 1,000 kilometers, 10 days strapped to the bottom of the truck. So there you go, guys. Do you want to buy one of these? You probably wouldn't. It wouldn't hurt, as you could throw it underneath anything and still use it in an emergency. Right on. All right. Is that proof enough for you guys? TidRadio. You guys, let's see where it is. Find it where we can. I got a link attached. If you guys want to go through my link, search it. I think it's a pretty darn good radio. It has me sold. So Hey, for now, guys. Still working. All right, guys. Hey, for now, thanks for joining me, 73s, and see you hams on the bands.